one leg squats and RDLs. I'm going to practice doing some hip hinging on one leg. So you can hold on to something to help you balance to begin with. Now we can do it on 2 feet. You can do it with 2 feet first. Push the hip back. Keep the spine in the same shape. You can see how my head goes down as I push my bum back. It's one unit all the way down here. The only thing that's moving and changing shape is the hip. Try and keep the knees relatively above the heels. They should definitely not be going in front of the heels. They may go slightly behind, that's okay. You want to find engagement in the hamstrings and the glutes as you go back, forward. So we can accentuate this by going onto one leg, pushing back. It's going to be more intense. You may also find the side glute comes involved too, helping you balance. Up, backwards and forwards. So push the hip back, push the hip forwards. Now we can turn this into an RDL. So we push the hips back till you find that socket, and then carry on pushing the hip back. It does help to breathe into the belly and keep the pelvis nice and compact. So open the pelvic floor, breathe gently into the belly, feels like a balloon that's trying to push out, and then close the pelvic floor, hold the breath, push back, push that hip back. It's all in the hip. With the triceps stretching, extending, and back up. Feel the triceps, feel the hamstrings contracting. Then we can do a one leg squat. So first of all, hinge the hip, find that hamstring and glute engagement in the back side. You have to do it a few times to get that engagement. But eventually you will get it. Again, you can breathe into the pelvic floor, fill the belly with air. You shouldn't hear the air going in. It should be nice and gentle, filling the belly. Once it feels full, up to about here, contract the pelvic floor, keep pushing out so the core is tight. I can't get my fingers in. And hinge at the hip, and then bend the knee forward. Maybe that's as far as you go today. You really feel the glute working extra hard in this squatting position. Again, you can hold on to something because you've still got all the weight. If you want to make it more difficult and train the sides of the glute, then you can let go of the support. Do the hinge a few times, and then bend the knee forward. You want to make sure the weight stays between the big toe, little toe, and heel. If it feels like it's going forwards or backwards, then come up a little bit, find the balance again, maybe go back down. Maybe you need to brace the core a little bit more with the breath. Brace the pelvis. You want the pelvis to stay neutral. We don't want to see any of this tilting. Nice and neutral. Glute, core, hamstring, all working together.